Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Blackstone RAVEN 61 to 750 CSM lawn tractor is designed to deliver solid performance and efficient lawn management. The single-blade cutting deck, with a width of 61 centimeters, ensures broad coverage with each pass, allowing easy management of large surfaces. You can choose from 3 cutting modes: collection in the 150-liter bag, mulching, and side discharge, adapting to different gardening needs. Equipped with a 224 cubic centimeter engine and a power output of 7.5 horsepower, the tractor ensures power and reliability in all conditions. The electric start, together with the included battery and charger, simplifies starting the device, making its use practical and immediate. The centralized cutting height adjustment offers 5 positions, ranging from 35 to 75 millimeters, for precise control of lawn height. The mechanical 4-speed gearbox, combined with reverse and neutral, ensures smooth handling of the tractor's movement. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.